Hello guys, welcome back. Here we will read the data. This is the method read data for login. And here first of all I need to open, let's say book equals xlrd dot open workbook. So this is the method. If you will pass your file name, so it will extract the file name. Here I will delete these things. I need only one argument to pass here file name. So the file name is data.xlsx. In this there is a sheet, you can see here. So if I will open this, so there are three sheets. So first sheet is called at index 0. So here I need to extract the sheet. So this is the first sheet. So let's say first sheet equals book dot sheet by index. So index is 0. So 0 index means the first sheet. We are reading the first sheet, and now we can use username, password. I need a tuple format. And how we can read this is very easy. So first sheet dot row slice. So we are cutting the row in slice, row underscore slice here, and here we need to pass the row and column. Row x equals 1 and start call x equals 0. We are cutting the first row because if we will see here, the 0th row is username and password. First row is this, so we have to cut it and we have to start from column 0, 1. So in this way we are cutting it and we are slicing. Here I will print username and password. Just see the output. Print username, print password. So we will do a step-by-step approach. So here I will write some checkpoint if double underscore name equals double underscore main. Here I will write class name is data reader. Data reader dot read data for login, and here we will not use self because this is a static method. No need to create object. So if I will run this program, just see the output. So you can see I am able to extract the username and password, but it is coming in number format and this is coming in some U format. So we have to extract this data only, this data and this data, and I need to return it into string form. So we can apply some operations. So it's very easy. How we can apply? Just uname equals str, and we will split by colon first. Let's say uname dot split by colon. First one is this, then uname equals, I will cut it again using slicing concept. So here str uname, and we will cut from first index to -2. So if I will run this program again, just see the output. Print uname. You can see I am able to extract this information here, and this is in string form. And same for password. pwd equals str. First of all, we'll convert it in string, and pwd, and then again we will cut it or we can slice it. So pwd from 7 to 1. Okay, now if I will run this again, so you can see the output. Okay, so this is pwd from 7 to -1. We are cutting. So if you are having any doubt, you can watch my first series video how we can do the slicing and all. So here this is both data came and we are able to extract the data from Excel sheet, and here we will return. We will not use these things, and return uname pwd. So whenever I will call this method, so it will return username and password, will read from Excel sheet. So in next part, we will create the test cases and we will read the data and we will use this data into login functionality. Thanks for watching.